Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial video on using the new Sinque app. In this video I will show you how you can weigh yourself using the Sinque weight monitor or by using a regular scale. We start at the home screen, where you can see the Sinque dial predicting my future weight trend. My trend is currently on lose weight too fast, which means that if I continue my current eating and exercise habits, I will lose weight very fast. To accurately calculate your weight trend, we recommend weighing yourself at least 4 times a week. So let's make a measurement. Press the blue button at the very top of the screen to start. On this screen we are given 2 options for making measurements, using Sinque's weight monitor or by using a regular scale through a manual measurement. To make a manual measurement, press the button and enter the weight you want to log. The following steps are the same when using a Sinque weight monitor, which I will show you right now. Stand with both feet on the weight monitor and make sure it was placed on a firm and even surface. Wait until the weight monitor shows 3 red rings and then press the blue button in the app to make a connection. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth function is turned on for this step. And from here the measuring process is identical to a manual weight insertion. Select the clothing and shoes you are wearing at the moment of measurement. The weight of these clothes will be deducted from your collected weight. Then we log your weight using the blue button. The weight was successfully logged, and as you can see I completed the second out of my 4 weekly measurements. Directly below you will see a short message with a motivational text. This content will change regularly, and if your account is part of an English group you will get English content from that group. And with a press of the button we are back on the main screen where your trend will be updated. The arrow did not move, so I will still be losing weight if I continue eating and exercising like I am right now. Now if you want to see more information about your future weight, you can scroll down to this graph. Every blue bar represents your weight fluctuation for a week, with the left one being this week and the other 2 being the upcoming 2 weeks. This week my weight is predicted to fluctuate between 67 and 73 kilograms. If I continue eating and exercising like I am right now, my weight will fluctuate between 68.5 and 73 kilograms next week. The week after is a lot lower, which explains why my trend is on losing weight very fast. And the best part of this is that you never need to worry again when you become a kilogram heavier or lighter. That is part of your natural weight fluctuation after all. As long as your trend is what you want it to be, you will be making progress. But if you'd like to see your weight in kilograms, you can tap the See Past Measurements button. This option and other functions in the app will be explained in the next video. See you then.